Rico, you said that the most popular operating system is Microsoft Windows. Which is the most effective version of MS Windows?
I would say MS Windows 7 is the most effective operating system for general-purpose computer system. It is used both for personal and business purpose.
What is so special about Windows 7?
Windows 7 provides you with a graphical user interface or GUI. This means it uses pictures or buttons for performing different operations. So by using Windows 7, you do not have to remember all the commands. You can create, rename, copy or delete files just by using the mouse on Windows 7.
Great! Please tell me about some of the features of Windows 7.
Windows 7 has new features, improved programs and faster speed. There are new security tools that help you to keep your computer secure. The control panel allows you to change display settings, add or remove programs or change date and time. Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional and Windows 7 Ultimate are the most common editions of Windows 7 operating system. We can run many applications at the same time in Windows. This is called multitasking. Let me now tell you about files and folders in Windows 7. A file is a collection of data which is stored on some storage device such as hard disk. A folder is a place where many files are stored. One or more files can be stored in a folder. A folder may also contain different folders with files in them.
How do we create a folder?
These are the steps to create a new folder on your desktop. First, move the mouse pointer away from icons and desktop and right-click the mouse. A shortcut menu appears. Second, click the New option. A new sub-menu appears. Select the Folder option. You get a new folder on the desktop. Fourth, type the name of the folder as you want. There you now have a folder on the desktop to store files in it.
Thanks. Now, how do I create a file?
A file can be created in any programs in Windows. When you draw a painting or type a letter and try to save it, you will have to give them a name. So, after naming and saving it, a file is created.
How do I open a file or folder after creating one?
To open a file or folder, just move the mouse over it and double-click it. The file or folder will open and display the content.
How do we change the name of a file or folder?
Changing the name of a file or folder is called renaming. To rename a file or folder, just follow these steps. First, select the file or folder that has to be renamed. Next, right-click the mouse button and select Rename. Now, type the new name that you wish to give to the file or folder.
Can we select a lot of files or folder at the same time?
Definitely, Rennie. Adjacent and non-adjacent are two ways of selecting multiple files or folder. To select files or folders in adjacent way, click the first folder to be selected. Then hold down the Shift key and click on the last folder or file to be selected. All the adjacent files or folders will be selected. To select files or folders in non-adjacent way, first click the first file to be selected. Then hold down the Control key and click on each of the items that you wish to select. All the non-adjacent files or folders will be selected.
How do we delete a file or folder?
To delete a file, just follow these steps. First, select the file or folder that has to be deleted. Next, right-click the mouse button and select the delete option. You will see the Windows 7 confirmation dialog box before deleting the file or folder. Click Yes to delete the file or folder or No to cancel deleting.
Can I move a file or folder from one place to another in the computer?
Sure, these are the steps to move a file or folder to another place. First, click on the file or folder that you wish to move. Then, right-click the mouse and click on the Cut option. Select the drive or location where you wish to save the file or folder. Now, right-click the mouse and click Paste. The file will be saved in the new location.
Thanks! Can we copy a file or folder and paste a duplicate copy in another location?
Definitely, Rennie. These are the steps to copy a file or folder and put it in another location. First, select the files or folders that you wish to copy. Right-click the mouse and click on Copy. Select the location where you wish to put the files or folders. Right-click the mouse and select Paste. The files will be pasted in the new location.
Thank you, Kliko. Now I know a lot about MS Windows 7.